You could be getting all the right marketing advice and doing all the right things and still not growing on social media. In this video, I'm going to tell you why. Hey, what's up? I'm Danielle Thomas. I'm a marketing strategist and coach, and I work with small business owners and solopreneurs to create simple marketing strategies so that they can spend less time marketing and more time doing what they really love. When it comes to social media, there are tons of tips, tons of strategies, and I promise most of them, if not all of them, work to some capacity. So it's probably not necessarily the strategy you're using trying to grow. What's really keeping you back are two things. One, you're hoping that it's easy when you haven't done anything to earn that ease. Ease is always earned, which means that you need to show up and put in some work ahead of time. A lot of times when you talk to really famous content creators or gurus or marketing experts that have large audiences, what they're saying to you when they say you don't have to show up a ton, you don't have to connect, things like that, it's not really true. And the reason being is because they already have this massive audience. So they've earned the right to just post content and get it seen by thousands of people and make a ton of money. When you're just starting out, you don't have that capability. You don't have the audience for it. And you don't have enough people in your audience to buy at a rate that you can continue to scale if you're not constantly trying to grow that audience. So the first thing that you should be doing is making sure that you're connecting and trying to grow every single day. Your visibility strategy is the most important piece of your marketing strategy when you're just getting started. Until you have a large audience, if you don't have an influx of new people coming in every single day, you're always going to hit a roadblock where people stop buying or where people aren't buying as much as they used to. So what you're going to want to do is really focus on your growth strategy and really go out and connect. It's important in the beginning. I promise, earn that ease and start by putting in some work and going and creating those connections so that someday you can just show up, post content, and let everybody come to you that wants what you have to offer. The next thing I recommend is that if you're just starting out and don't have a large audience, make sure that you're niched down so that it's very specific what you do, what problem you solve. And then two, make sure that you're creating different types of content every single week and testing out what works and what doesn't. In the beginning, you're not going to know what works and what doesn't just by looking at what other accounts are doing. Reason being is because a lot of the content that the experts are creating that have hundreds of thousands of followers, or the gurus or the influencers, things like that, it works for them because they've already built up their audience and people just love their personality and they trust them, so they're willing to consume their content. But in the beginning for you, you're going to want to test. Maybe long form videos aren't going to work for you. People might not watch them. Maybe carousels aren't going to work for you. People might not scroll through. You're going to need to find what works for you in terms of, hey, I've gotten this visibility. Now I need to nurture people, but I know that they're not going to stick around very long because I haven't built that trust yet. So you need to find a way to build that trust so that you can continue to grow your Instagram account, your Facebook account, your LinkedIn, whatever it might be. And then you can earn that ease of just showing up and posting whatever you want. And then the third thing you're going to want to remember as a new account or a small account is that being social matters. When you're trying to grow and you're still under 100,000 followers, do the best you can to always go back and respond to all your comments and DMs. Reason being is because you're still building those connections and you're cultivating a community. They want to get to know you. They're reaching out and trying to create that connection. Don't leave them hanging. Make sure you jump in there and you connect back, whether it's through the DMs, comments, stories, whatever it might be. Make sure you're connecting with the people trying to connect with you. That's how you build and cultivate an audience. And that's how you build the trust needed in order to get someone to buy from you. If this video was helpful, leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite tip was. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't ever miss a video from me in the future. And last but not least, go follow me on Instagram at Danielle and Thomas. I give marketing tips and I love to connect with my followers over there and get to know you guys better to see what you actually want to learn. I love you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time.